Alrighty, up on the bench with me today is a Galaxy DX55 high power. It's the dual final version. This radio, it's got AM and FM. You can turn the frequency display off if it gives you noise in your AM. It's got Roger beep and a 10kc switch, so you can get in between channels. And of course, your volume squelch, might gain RF. It's variable power, 0.5 watt to about 8.5 watts. Oh, that's on this one here, and it does have a dimmer. Get down to 25615 up to 28305. And for some reason it has a clarifier on an AM FM radio. I don't know why you need one, but it's there. There's no echo in this radio. That's the way they came. This one's a little rough looking, and I'm gonna tell you what makes it so rough. People who leave the protective covers on their radios, when you finally take it off after years, this is what it looks like. And it doesn't clean off very well. So take your protective covers off unless you're leaving it in the house and it's not going to be in the sun and so on and so forth. It's in decent shape, probably a 6 out of 10. That's more residue from that cover. Got a little bit of the chrome bubbling here and here. There's no rust or anything inside. It looks good inside. It's got a good receive. Got it hooked up. Doesn't come with a mic or anything. This is just my test stuff here. But with the variable power all the way up, this meter's a little shy, but it is about 8 watts. And when you talk, hello, hello, goes to about 40. And if we turn the power all the way down, it's going to bounce like heck, but we're looking at 0.5 watt. But we still got that forward momentum. But it won't go quite to 40, it'll hover around 30, but yeah. We turn this up, hard to do this with one hand. I usually run it, the meter on the front is pretty accurate. Let's see, I think it's pretty close. I think the factory is calibrated to show 10 watts down to, well, it's gonna squeal on my monitor radio, but you run it here at about 5, a little under 5. Yeah, that looks about right. Hello, audio. But yeah, enough of that. All the knobs and controls work. Now let me bring you around to the back. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it here. Get this cord out here. This is made in Malaysia. Can't really read the serial number no more. See, that's 35 something or other. You can see what that protective cover has done, and somebody has tried to clean it off the top where they left all the goo. Didn't work out for them. A little bit of bubbles here too. But I'm gonna take some pictures of this, and this one's gonna go up on, one little chip in the chrome right here. But if you rub your fingers on these, the static will make them stick. That's true for all of these kind of meters. So if your meter ever gets stuck, before you start replacing it and trying to loosen it up, rub your finger across it and see if it moves. But I'll have this one up here on eBay in a few. Catch you later, 73s, I'm out.